How to turn on or turn off expiration panel on IQ options. So hello guys, first thing we do, we go to IQ option app. As you can see, this is the home page. Now we go to the top corner here and click on those three lines, and after that you will find those options. You need to go to settings and click on trading right here, first one, and here you go. Here you will find the expiration panel. You can turn it off or turn it on as you want. And that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.